Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your keyboard not working on Roblox for iPad. First, always confirm your keyboard has a strong, active connection, ensuring it is powered on. Next, a simple restart of the Roblox app often resolves minor glitches. Just close it completely. Finally, a quick reboot of your iPad can clear temporary software issues, allowing everything to reset. Your iPad settings can significantly impact keyboard functionality. Go to Bluetooth settings and, if necessary, forget and then repair your keyboard to establish a fresh connection. Also, check your general keyboard settings for any unusual layouts or conflicting languages that might be interfering. A complete reset of your network settings under the General menu can also miraculously resolve communication issues. Sometimes, the issue lies within the Roblox app itself. Dive into the game's settings menu. Look for any input or keyboard-specific options that might be toggled off by mistake. Additionally, verify that Roblox has all required permissions enabled within your iPad's privacy settings. If all else fails, a complete uninstall and reinstall of the Roblox app can often clear deeply embedded data issues. For more stubborn problems, advanced system checks are necessary. Always ensure your iPad's operating system is updated to the very latest version, as software bugs are often patched. Also, consider disabling any third-party accessibility features or custom keyboard apps that could be interfering. If you have other Bluetooth devices connected, try disconnecting them all, then repair just your keyboard to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.